Folks, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Alright. Today I'm gonna be in the kitchen. I'm gonna make my wife some baked snapper. Stuffed snapper. Stuffed with she have bok choy. I think that's what we call pop choy. And I mix it with some baby spinach. Alright, so I got that working. In the meantime, I'll bring up these two big boys for you. Our little boys. Alright. So I got this snapper washed. You don't know me, I have to use the vinegar, clean them out, you know what I mean, well clean out and all that, okay? So, I'm gonna grab my knife right here. It's the sharpest knife I never have in the kitchen. It's just, doesn't make any sense. I put some slice in there. And put some slice in there. Should I slice my wife? Hell no, should I keep my ass. Alright, so, put some slice in here. And in here, I got some special ingredients. When I say special, I mean special, alright? It's a whole bunch of stuff I mixed up in there. I'm not going to tell you what's in there, alright? So, in these creases here, you drop some in these creases here, alright? So you do it. You just drop some down in there, flip it over, drop some more in there. Flip it over, drop some more in the creases, alright? Same thing for this one. Drop some in the creases. So it go right down in. Alright? So I know y'all wondering, right? It's two fish, right? And you know my wife, you know, she loves fish. But I promised my daughter a fish today. So I'm giving her a whole fish today. And guess what? They're both gonna crush these things. Alright? Kelly with the Jamaican, and they love the fish. So after that, I sprinkle some inside. Sprinkle some inside, then rub it down. Rub it down with the rest of it. Rub it down. This is strong, it's powerful. I tried it before, it's really good. Alright. Rub down the outside of this too. Put some inside of here. Put some inside of here. Alright, so we have this going. Alright, so rub it down real good. Rub it down like I rub down my wife sometimes. Close the ears with the spice. My daughter, we call her Little Spice. You know, she's a bad chef. She in the kitchen, yo. She whip up some wicked stuff, but guess what? She's a mean chef. She only cook for herself. Sometimes I'm like, Kiara, I know you were cooking. Yeah, but it's done. Alright, folks, so this is just what's going on. Alright, so I put it in and it's all good, you know what I mean? I rub it down. Rub it down nice and sweet. Alright, so over here I got some pre-cooked bok choy, pop choy, and spinach. Stuff it in. Stuff it in. Stuff it in. Put it in there.
Yes.
Stuff it in there. You know what I'm saying?
Stuff it, stuff it.
Stuff it in there. Stuff it up. Yeah, man. So we're going to do it like this. Put it all in there. You know, I also got some peppers in there, some onions. You know what I mean? Put it up in here. I got a little bit of butter. My wife doesn't like butter, so I have the unsalted butter. And there's one that they say is no, it's all calories or less calories. I'm not quite sure what it is. All right. So I take the outer piece and I rub it on the outside of the fish. Rub it on the outside of the fish. All right. Rub it on it. Rub it on it. Alright, so I'm gonna ask, I think I have this on before, I have this on already. I think I have it, I forgot to turn this on. It's up to 4, I put it up to 400, alright? So, Chef Little Spice, hand me the foil paper, baby. Can you open it up for me? So you saw me at the folks, alright? So I'm gonna stuff it up. You know, yeah, that's one piece. Take it for me. Look it for me. Alright. Let me get another piece. Yeah. Wrap it up. Wrap it up like wrap up a newborn baby. You know when you just get it, you know. Put it up here. Alright. This is the first one. Wrap up. See what I'm gonna say? Next piece, baby. So this is well seasoned, folks. I'm telling you, it's gonna be some bad fish. Bad fish. Chef, the spice. You don't eat fish, right?
I do eat fish.
You want give me some more, baby? So you said one for you, one for your mom. All right. So my wife be eating this all week. I tried different type of fish. Today's a snapper. You know what I mean? I've done the rockfish. I've done every week. You know what I mean? I try something different. You know what I mean? So I gotta feed the wife. You gotta keep your wife. You gotta feed her, cause they will leave your ass. All right. So up here, so now you know what I mean. So I'm gonna give this a few minutes to catch up. All right. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for about maybe 20 minutes or so. Okay. Then it's ready to go. And I'm telling you, it's because I have this in the paper, in the foil paper, it captures all the ingredients. Everything is just holding it, right? So once you take it out and eat it, it's gonna be something to behold. You know what I mean? So this is what I do in the kitchen. I really don't go to the store. I hate going. I mean, I work at restaurants and I hate going to restaurants to eat. I make my own food. You know what I mean? So that's just it. So in a few minutes, you guys are gonna see this, and you guys are gonna get to eat with us. You know, just imagine you eating with us. All right? Back. Okay, let's do the test. This is part 2 of the baked fish, Jamaican baked fish. So we're gonna test and see if it's ready. All right? All right. Whew. Man, it's hot. Ah. Oh yes. All right. Wow. Some drippings. Whew. That looks good. I think I should just take them and run. Right, guys? No. No? Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. My God. Look at that, folks. Look upon that. Back up a little bit. Look upon that. Yeah, man. Oh. Look at this. It's come right off. You saw me? I said it's come right off. And then sprinkle all the juice on top of it. Thank God I'm the only one in the house to eat fish.
Yeah, right.
All right. So, normally have this with some crackers. Some crackers to the side. My wife doesn't like crackers. My daughter doesn't like crackers either. They don't know what they're missing. She made some asparagus to go with it. With it right here. She likes asparagus. So I'm gonna open up this one too, and I'm gonna see how this one come out. All right. I can tell you this, y'all. This stuff is gonna be good. Flesh is soft, flaky, really good. Look at all that juice, man. Oh my God. The bok choy and the spinach in it, man, it's just gonna be, you know, just look at this. Open it up.
Yes. It's my favorite part.
Voila. Yeah, man. All right, so this one again, you can see all the juice in this one. Lord have mercy. Y'all, he's a bad ass boy, Joey. So, yeah, this is hot. That's why I don't want to touch it. It's extremely hot. So, whole fish is stuffed, baked. All right. I do the oven. Normally, I do it outside on the grill. I don't feel like going outside right now. Set up grill and all that stuff. No. All right. So, there it is, folks. You know, I'm going to let somebody take a taste. And I'll tell you, they're going to love that taste. Put asparagus on it. So, it's not hard, it's easy. It's easy and it doesn't take long. And I tell you, the taste is just magnificent. You know, it's a wonderful, quick, easy meal. Just get the fish, you know, just follow the instructions. I mean, it's just so easy. It's one of the easiest and quickest thing to do. You know, like, you know, Harry, you just put it, leave it, go about your business, come back, and it's all good to go. But the taste of this thing right here, the smell, the taste, you know, the bok choy, the spinach. You can use callaloo if you want, any vegetables, any veggies that you choose to use. And you can use whatever season that you use. I use the real Jamaican seasoning. Pimento has to be in it. Whatever I use has to have some pimento. All right. So I'm gonna let them eat now, and folks, I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna do some roast breadfruit and some other stuff. All right. But for right now, see you guys later. One love.